Online, people see only one side of a person. But in real life, there's always more. Just like adding an extra shot.
Class, settle down. Let's have your quiz.
Kopya ka na, boy? Ang nag-receive.
Pass your papers. Alright, class dismissed. Don't forget your presentation for the next meeting. Also, class press, don't leave yet. I need you to start practicing and regular attendance. It will be also your final project in my subject. Yes, po, ma'am. Sabi ko. Thank you po. Finally, anong gani? Ang dami pinapagawa ng nakakapagod. Tapos sinabi ko magpagawa ng quiz. Tingnan natin. Paano? Paano pala na po yun? That's the most time-consuming. Don't worry guys. Kaya natin po.
Hi, Max. Always on time, huh?
Hello, Yoki, of course.
I will set up my camera and then you get your makeup done. Happy.
Ganda ang pinili.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yun o, makikita ko na rin pinaghirapan ko.
Pinaghirapan ba? Pinaghirapan ko. Dahil
Ano, pre?
Okay, baka niya. Ikaw, pre lang ka. Wala. Baba ako.
Gusto ko naman ako, pre. Lumamas ko, pre.
Takas ko, pre. Ayun ba?
Oo, pasado ako, pre. Ang mamal sa akin, pre.
Sana ako. Galing mo, no?
Bali na, pre.
Good afternoon, sir. May I take your order? Here's the menu. One order of cappuccino.
Sa akin, isang dark mo.
Okay.
Kahit ano, kopi ko lang.
Good afternoon po, ma'am. What is your order po?
Ghost latte sa cheese latte sa
Okay ba? That would be 650 pesos.
Order for Max.
Ano yung order ko?
Where's my coffee?
Sir, sorry to keep you waiting. Ito na po yung order niyo.
finally dumating ka rin.
Girl, ikaw ha, you're planning to give out our coffee pa.
Ikaw ha, unahan mo pa ako magkajowa.
Girl, shut up. Let's just focus on our presentation for tomorrow.
And that's all. Thank you guys.
Pinutan ko ni Migs eh.
Malakas to boy. Ano pala sabi ng mama mo sa grades mo, JB?
Oo nga pre, baka pag nalaman niya, magalit din siya. Bro, is that your mom? Yari pa.
Hoy, Javier Reyes! Ano to?
Ma, let me explain.
Oh, don't even bother to explain, kuya.
What's the meaning of this, Javier? You said kasama ka pa sa honors, pero bagsak ka pala.
I told you, ma, hindi na dapat pinag-aaral yan. Wala naman niyang alam eh.
Ma'am, please.
You're such a disappointment, Javier. Nasayang lang ang tuition mo. Wala ka nang ginawang tama. You should just quit.
Model pa lang si Coffee Girl. A lot of negative comments.
Ilan ka pre? Sa ano pre? Yo pre, taas ko eh. Ano ba?
Wala pre, baka.
Okay. Gani kasi pas mo yan yan.
Something happened to you? Nothing happened. I just saw the coffee guy again. Edikilig ka niyan. Hindi no, never.
Hey girlie, may nakita kong handsome boy doon, oh. You should watch.
Patingin nga. Pangit naman yan eh. Sus, crush mo lang eh. Okay.
What is this I'm feeling? I just
Kaya ba to? What if I fail again?
just
Look at me. You can, and you won't fail again. Extra shot mo to. Isa pang chance.
Thank you, Ma.
it's crazy.
Our project is called Double Tap. The faces we show. We wanted to explore how digital spaces can give people the courage to express parts of themselves they hide in person, online. I can be fun and confident because I don't have to worry about being judged for how quiet I am in person and for failures I had.
Falling for you. Finally, my heart gave in and I'm falling.
David, you can win. You can, and you will fail again. Extra shot mo to. Isa pang chance.
Thank you, Max.
Another one, thank you.
Thank you, Max.
Another one, thank you.
Thank you, Max.
Another one, thank you.
Thank you, Max.
Hindi na pa.